Alright. My name is Aditya Bhardwaj and today I am your interviewer. Hope you have an amazing day. I want to put some questions regarding to your educational lifestyle. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we go. My first question is tell me about yourself.
My name is Jinal Jambal from class 10th. I'm 16 years old and I'm live in Bhanala.
Anything else?
No, sir.
What about your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing, writing, painting, and reading books and fitness, etc.
Okay, sounds good. Jinan, my next question is what is discipline?
Discipline is the bone structures of everyone's life, especially in students' life. It provides rules with lives to live their life effectively and efficiently. It helps us to stay focused on achieving our goal.
Okay, amazing. My next question is that is third question. Why have you chosen this school, Jinal?
I have chosen this school because my elders and cousins also studied in these schools and they gave me good remarks about this school. I have interacted with junior and senior students. They have good opinion about this school and they respect their school.
Okay, what kind of a good opinions have they?
The teachers teaches very well. They give every potential. They give full potential about what they teaches and what they give knowledge to the student.
Okay, so in the end you are satisfied from your faculty.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jinal, sounds good. My next question is how was your experience in this school?
My experience was very good. The teaches very well and I learn everything what they teach and I understand if there is any query about anything they clear our doubt and make us easy to learn and practice that thing.
Okay, is that any example? Have you any example? You faces on trouble on any topic, the teacher solving the problem randomly behavior way. Is that any?
Like in maths, if we have any problem, we talk to the sir and sir teaches us in very good way that it understand to us.
Okay. So Jinal, tell me about your weaknesses.
My weakness is that I get nervous in some way. I lack focus on some work while doing something.
Okay, what type of work you would like to perform well?
So like study.
Any study outside the education
Outside.
you can tell us.
Outside the education, my interests are fitness, writing, and dancing.
Okay, Jinal. So tell me about your strength, Jinal.
My strength is my honesty, my commitment towards the work that I have done and what can I do, and my attention towards the work that I learn and I practice.
Okay, sounds good. My next question is, what is your favorite subject, Jinal, and why you like them?
Every subject is interesting and fun, but my favorite subject is maths because it makes our mind sharper to learn everything and practice everything.
Okay, so you most of the like subject is in math.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you prefer math subjects.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my next question is, what are your expectations from our school organization?
It is very important that the school will create a learning environment and encourage learning, but also provide sports like sports, national level test, competitive test, etc.
Okay, so this is your expectations
Yes,
from
sir.
our school organization.
Yes, sir.
Okay, General, I clarify to you, the round 1 is a complete of your interview. Part 2 will be continue on your next question. How you became so confident in the life?
By speaking up the things that make me pulling back that this is not my field like this, or by gaining knowledge and distribute it to everyone, make myself confident.
Okay, so helping like the people
Yes,
to
sir.
give transfer their own knowledge, is that good for your
Yes, sir.
working experience? Okay. So my next question is, what type of a work you really want to do in your life?
I want law work to do in my life.
Okay. Is there any example? what kind of a work is there? Give us the example.
So
Like someone wanted to travel the world, someone making blogs. What type of a work you really want to do in your life?
I want to be a social worker.
Discuss about any problem solving issue when you are in trouble with someone. Is there any example you are trouble in your own previous days with some work, like your education work, your any sports work, your homework, your any kind of a work?
Last year in annual day, I have problem that I have a stage fear and I don't dance and do extra work. But last year I performed a dance in the stage, and this is my
Achievement.
achievement.
Okay. So my next question is, what are your main interests outside the education?
Outside the education, my main interests are fitness, writing, and dancing.
Anything else?
Yes,
Okay. So you mostly love fitness,
yes sir.
dancing,
Yes sir.
And?
Writing.
and writing. Okay. My next question is, what can you bring to the school, Jinal?
I can bring knowledge to this school and make a learning environment to the school and the class, and make the weaker students to focus on studies by helping them in their work.
Okay, Jinal, sounds good. My next question is, have you any personal opinion for this school organization? You think this is a lack of a facility and I can manage this thing my own way. So tell us that kind of a things in front of us.
If the students know that if we know that how to take advantage of the school is very good and teaches us very well. But I want the school to take an extra period of sports, like sports and some tests like national competitive test.
Okay, anything else?
No sir.
Okay. So my general next question is, last but not least, what about your personal opinions for our school faculty members? What about your personal experience for your own teacher?
Our teachers teaches us very well, but in some days it becomes hard to
Prepare
prepare
yourself.
yourself for the test, because we don't understand it. But the teachers revise the chapter again and tell us that this is like that, and we understand it again, give our best in the test.
In the test. Okay, Jinal, your interview is over. Okay, have a nice day. Tell them good afternoon and you
Good
can go.
afternoon everyone.
Okay. Take care. Good luck and bye bye.